Hello lovelies, it's just going to be a really quick video. So it's the second instalment of the Scent Addict by the fragrance shop. Right, so you've seen the casing already, but I'll show you what it looks like. So originally when you get the box it comes like this, so you're getting this atomizer and you're getting your perfume here. Obviously it's not going to be like that every single month. You're only going to get like, I expected to get a box like this at least, but your spray, which I'll show you in a minute, your spray, which fits here, comes in a little jiffy bag, and anyone can get hold of that and it can break, so it doesn't come very secure. That's one con to it, I would say. The pros is you can try a perfume every single month, so you don't have to blind buy perfume or get perfume that you're really not going to like that much. If you've got a big perfume collection, I've got a fairly big perfume collection, then maybe this is a better option for you. You can try quite a few. You have it for a year. You can try 12 perfumes, and at the end of that year, if there's one that you really did like, you could go out and buy that rather than just buying anything and, you know, like, I'm crossing fingers whether you're really going to like it. So I chose quite a classy atomizer. It's this rose gold one, and then what you do is you twist it, so it's perfect for travel. I said that in, I don't think it was yesterday, the day before I filmed. So I got, the first perfume that I got from them was Burberry Hair. You're getting 8 mils for £12, which I don't think is too bad, especially when it comes with the atomizer. So this is free when you're getting it. And what I do like about them, so it basically twists up like that. Twists up like that. It's very travel friendly, and then you pull it out. What I do like about them is this on top, this sprayer. You can just take it out and you can save it. Like I said to you in the last video, I'm going to save at least 4 or 5 of these, and then I've got backups in case a sprayer comes to me, in case some perfume comes to me 1 month and it doesn't work. You know, you never know when you're going to need it, basically, do you? So I got the Black Opium glitter, and I thought that I would be getting Black Opium glitter. If you go back to my fragrance that I got last month, so if you go back to the fragrance that I got last month, you'll hear me say, I think I'm going to get the Black Opium glitter again for, what month are we in? July. But I decided not to. And the reason being, let me talk you through it. So I'm going to talk you through the notes of this particular perfume. What's that not going down now? Right, so let me talk you through the notes of it. Okay, so back to the iPhone 11. Look at that picture though of my mum and Luna. I don't think she'll mind me showing it to you. Totally adorable. My 2 favourite people in the whole entire world. So, Black Opium glitter, YSL, Yves Saint Laurent for women. So it comes in a bottle like that. The bottles from YSL Black Opium are always really pretty, aren't they? I got the original. It was way too strong for me, so I don't know why I thought this one was going to be any different. I have still got the YSL Black Opium, what they sprayed on here. Can I smell any? No, that can be thrown. But it smelled for about a month, and then, you know, I thought, oh, I've made the right decision in getting it. No, I'm going to talk you through the notes and I'll tell you why. I mean, obviously I used it all up. You can see, have I shown you that I've used it all up? I don't think I did. So, yeah, it's all used up. It looks like there's a tiny bit, but you can't get that out. And then it says Black Opium glitter and the reference number that the fragrance shop obviously use. I'm getting carried away with myself, aren't I? Right, so like I said, I'm going to talk you through the notes, and you can tell me if it's your kind of perfume or not. I mean, I did think, you know, because like when I smelt it in the shop and when she put it on the card, she didn't put it on my wrist or anything though, because I'd tried other perfumes. Maybe she should have done that. Maybe I should have gone back at a different day and she should have done that, because it's like my friend Lisa said, it can smell a certain way on a card, but it goes off your pH level and how it's going to smell on your actual body. And she's right, so I should have done that. So YSL Black Opium glitter, the main accords. So I'm going to just read all these out here. So they're saying it's sweet, it's citrusy. So another one that's citrusy. The Burberry hair was citrusy, if I remember. Powdery, another one that's powdery. So obviously I've got a theme of perfumes without even realising it. Vanilla, I absolutely love vanilla in a perfume. It's got white floral in it. Coffee. Right, so this is where I struggle. So when I sprayed it, it smelled like peppers. There's no pepper in this perfume at all. I don't know what I'm smelling. It may be the coffee, it may be everything mixed together, but I said to my friend Lisa, I said, I'm getting pepper. I'm getting a peppery scent. And I do actually feel really, really awful, because when I smelled it in the shop and when I got the card home, I'm like, Lisa, you are going to absolutely love this perfume, because we have similar tastes in the perfumes that we like to wear. Very, very sweet perfumes. And she went out and bought it. I feel absolutely terrible because I don't think she much likes it. And she said, it's not your fault, you know. She said, I didn't have to buy it. And yeah, that's true to a certain extent, but maybe she wouldn't have if I didn't like big it up in a way. So I'm sorry about that. Right, what else? Warm, spicy. I think that might be what I was smelling. Do you know how I said I could smell peppers? Maybe it's spices, because I don't like spices whatsoever. Musky, yeah, I agree. It's very, very musky, like the normal YSL Black Opium perfumes are. Patchouli and fruity. I got more kind of musk. I agree with the musk. I agree that it was spicy. Can we smell it? Can we smell anything in this like we did with the Burberry hair? And then maybe I just used the last bit of it yesterday, so to me it's not sweet. I don't know, I'm getting a bit like, you smell it initially and it doesn't smell sweet, and then once the scent has gone away, it does smell a little bit sweet, but not the sweetness of a perfume that I normally like to buy. I'm definitely not smelling fruity. What are the other scents that it's telling me? Yeah, so sweet, yeah, possibly. Yeah. I mean, it smells different, right, when you're smelling it to how it goes on the skin. Let me see. I don't think I'll be able to get any out, but let me see if I can. Oh, yeah. There was a tiny bit left, like I said. So I'll let that linger. I can already smell it. It's like, yeah, it's strong, spicy, peppery, that kind of scent. So for that reason, this is another one that I wouldn't buy. Could you imagine if I'd bought Burberry hair 30 mils, like even a 30 mil, the smallest size you can get, and then a YSL Black Opium 30 mils. YSL Black Opium at the fragrance shop is £75. Sorry, for a 30 mils. So YSL at the fragrance shop and everywhere else that I've checked, when it's not on sale, is £75. Could you imagine if I bought the 30 mil size? Oh, I'd be so sad. I'd probably use it or give it to my mum. Yeah, to me, that's not sweet. I can't even smell citrus. I feel like the spicy scent is taking over it, and I'm getting like a pepper scent. I don't even think I can smell coffee in it, because I like coffee. So if that's not coming through, what have I done now? Definitely musk. So out of what it's saying are the main accords are, I would say it's sweet when you smell it, when you don't spray it on yourself. It's sweet then. I would say I can't smell the vanilla, because I absolutely love vanilla and I would like it more if it, I mean, obviously it does have vanilla in it, but if I could smell it more, I would like it. Warm, spicy, yeah, definitely can smell that more than anything else. Musky, yeah, I can smell that more than anything else as well. And I don't see it as being sweet and fruity, because I would like it, you know. And I'm not saying it's the worst perfume in the world. The worst perfume in the world for me would have been the YSL Black Opium, because I've had it and I had to give it away. I gave a full bottle of it away just because I couldn't tolerate it. What else does this say? It's got a perfume rating of 3.59 out of 5 with 729 votes. Black Opium Glitter by Yves Saint Laurent is an oriental floral fragrance for women. This is a new fragrance. Black Opium Glitter was launched in 2024. Top notes are green mandarin, pear and lemon. Middle notes is orange blossom. Base notes are vanilla absolute, coffee, marshmallow, musk and patchouli. See, I don't even smell the marshmallow in it though. It features a blend of bourbon, vanilla absolute, coffee, marshmallow, musk and orange blossom. Right, so that's, oh wait, top notes here. Sorry, so I'll read this as well. Top notes, I should be able to smell the top notes, shouldn't I? I couldn't. Orange blossom is the middle note. And then the base notes are vanilla absolute, coffee, marshmallow, musk and patchouli. I would say base notes, all I can really smell from that is musk. And then it just kind of smells like pepper. But guys, if you've got this perfume or even tried it in your local Boots, Superdrug or wherever you buy your perfumes from, what do you think of it? Is it a perfume that you would like to buy in the future? Because like it says, it's a newly perfume out there. I'm glad I tried it, just like I was glad I tried the Burberry hair perfume. I like to try these things. I'm definitely a person that loves fragrance, and I'm glad that they've got a subscription box in the UK like this. I would recommend this subscription box if you like your perfumes like I do. Like I said, it's from the fragrance shop, £12 a month. Not sponsored, guys. These are just my own thoughts. I thought I'd do these review videos from now on. I hope you like them. So tomorrow I will be collecting a perfume from my sister, what I ordered. I don't know about that. I blind bought it. But you will see that in the video that I put out, probably on Friday or Saturday. Normally what I do is when I get a new fragrance, I put out the video and then use it up, and then at the end of July I'll come on and I'll tell you what I thought of it. Look at my skin, guys. It is acting out so badly at the moment. So I wanted to do another live today, and because I did a live yesterday after about 5 days off, and I woke up this morning and literally it wasn't stuck, but there was like, it was like not like that. I don't know why I'm doing that to the other eye, but there was stuff here. I'm thinking to myself, is that conjunctivitis? Have I got an eye infection? There's no way I'm putting any eye makeup on my eyes. And like the likes of this, I'm going to have to declutter. I'm going to have a think about what I really used on the eyes. I think that's the only thing I'm going to have to declutter. I'm going to wash all my eyeshadow brushes. I don't need to be reusing them anyway. And hopefully in a couple of days I'll be able to come back. I think I'll give tomorrow a miss as well. Normally I'll do a live in the afternoon before I go to my sister's, but yeah, I think my skin is just freaking the hell out and I don't know why. I mean, I've had a few bites. I had some bites here. I don't know whether those bites had anything to do with, it was obviously some kind of bacterial thing. I mean, it's not there now, thankfully. It's getting to the point where I'm scared to go to sleep because I'm waking up with something different every morning. It's ridiculous. If it carries on, if it persists, I'll have to go to the doctors. I'm going on a tangent, so I'll leave it here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this kind of content, normally I don't witter on like I'm doing now. If you like this kind of content, I'm going to do more perfume reviews. I'm going to be doing like skincare reviews on the skincare that I've used so far. That'll be coming up. Hair care will be more on my hair care channel. So if you've not subscribed to that, I would really, really love it if you did. That's over on Embracing My Curls. Check the description out of the video because it's always in the video. And yeah, is that it? No, I've got some makeup empties coming up and I'll do reviews on them, whether I'm going to buy them. I've got a whole lot of reviews and empties, so keep an eye out for that. If you do like watching makeup, it's is more on my live stream. I don't do them on longer form content anymore, just because I don't have the memory in my phone to do it. So yeah, next time I get a new iPhone, I need to get one with bigger memory. And also, Shop My Stashes are over on lives now as well, if you didn't already know and you want to go and check that out. But yeah, I tend to leave like videos that I think you might be interested in the description as well. So maybe just check out the description if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.